Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Nana medeba kase. The uncle
Peace FM. Peace FM.
That's one aspect. There are other issues that come up, Kwame. Free SHS. Unim say, May 2016. I questioned the sincerity of the MPP campaign for free SHS.
Have you eaten humble pie? Bruh.
You know why I did so?
Tell me.
Me say one more party orientation, one more philosophy, no. One more new side, ninti ade anya de ombetumi omo beye na omo de ye campaign teke. In fact, even 2017, one more share free SHS ase no. What can I say? It was not wholesale.
It was from day one. Okay, you mean from first year?
From first year.
Yeah, and gradually.
And the National Forum 2017, editorial crack question say, I don't know how wholesale.
Yeah.
We were even at the time questioning. Akwame, I am ready to say that me, as Ghanaian, human being who could make errors, I misjudged.
No, human being or president.
As a human being who could make a president.
No, you don't get.
You don't get a joke. You don't. Now you don't get a joke. As a human being, as a president.
You know the funny thing. He beat me.
Yeah, Kabila, you were saying.
Kwame, as someone make can say.
Meet you.
Na me watching a JB, I will me efa homo, de na almost on beno. Chamangera, I'm humbled to accept that Nana Akufo-Addo and the NPP, they have beaten me. I didn't mean ni say one be no, womaye. And then ya first year and second year for Ankwao full scale.
3 SHS.
3 SHS first batch exams this year.
Actually,
results beba enche. I should be humble to accept say I didn't see me no and now me say omuntimi nye no wo maye den wo maye but Kwame me position no that time o na nya dia me see omuntimi nye o na me say wo mo nye ebinum de and why I said that was that young CPP4 Kwame Nkrumah ye free education between 1951 and onwards the progressive, in fact revolutionary education, no double track was introduced at the time. Because nipa be brave about school system no more. Na schools say no need to be cater for them. So this double track thing people are talking about, if you understand education, it was a necessity. Of course, they were almost ya no. Bia na e wo ho nsam kae bi. But they dole because one ye nipa bro structures ni infrastructure here dey e wo ho no eso.
And then my shift system.
Me position no. Mo de ebinum de. In fact, the NDC, main Kasano Biakase Misru, your position was that thing was not possible. To me, yeah. Edruba be enough for my shift to say, and I promise now I am no a constitutional injunction. And I'm saying, oh, that's cheap. A constitutional injunction, other than now, why didn't you do it? Because your constitution 1992, you come in, problems are more now, and some more. And some won't papa. Now, no, make kind persons with disability law. Kwame, when you say it says that the Minister for Education, Minister for Employment, as I saw, we introduce a constitutional, constitutional instrument, a legislative instrument. Sorry. Now, one more dish said, Niema Binum Abekoso. For 8 years you were in government, you didn't introduce a single legislative instrument on Disability Act. I'm an NDC manifesto. You know how they call the persons with disability law? Disability Act 2007. Parliamentary researcher.
Now 2007 they said J. Kufuor.
In 2007. It was passed in 2006.
Yes, it was under Kufuor.
The persons with disability law, the Persons with Disability Act 2006, Act 715. And one manifesto no more. Disability Act 2007.
Kwabransi for no come any empon.
Media the American you say Omaya ye timu the ye be ye bia no etogia. At the end of the day, men kai as I said me kasa bia me kai unu said the men kanu enei ochina ye betimi abo akere me. Enti as I say yen samoa Sekyerɛ yɛ bɔkyerɛ me na sɛ deɛ megyina nnɛ me twe me ho afi ho kora ɛnkɔ ba ne sɛ mɛka no kwan bi so na deɛ yɛde bɛbɔ akyerɛ me ɔkyena no afei m'anim bɛgu ase ama ne sɛ megye atum no ɛbɛyɛ me den yɛmmerɛ yɛ ho ase kakra na mmere wɔ hɔ yi yɛni nka so ɛnɛ ɛne sɛ woka sɛ sakande Adamu sakande ɔkɔ yi ɔkɔ sɛ wonkɔɔyɛ koraa na no Duncan William Archbishop ne Simon bi ɔyɛyɛ Kwame tumidie mmere yɛni nka so o ana meboa
yɛdi sɛ ka so anka nkroma da so yɛ mampɛ
Kwame, thank you for that.
I tell you.
Kwame, when you say through stage B, I exile no. He pleaded on 3 different occasions under 3 different regimes. Say yemfa back no mewu. Ommehwe ne maame.
Amanfi no.
Achampo regime I say Kwame Nkrumah no ye ku no kra no. They refused.
But at least to a champion's credit, we honored him by.
Oh, Kwame, dead man.
And Pacho.
The man wanted to come and die here.
We buried him here.
The point I'm making is that the great Osadifo
Onumpo
who will be my soul against his will. Yeah, you sunya.
The might be no we and share in a mortuary.
I didn't hear that one. On your Muslim, you could have gone to a mortuary.
Now, the Aka for school to Koyaba. It's Sankuma baby, ono. I'll say, as for you, you are just a Kwabuche boy who just went to Kwapman, so no problem. Now, the bigger fight has begun.
Where is it coming from? Oh, Uncle.
I'll say, quiz. What is the name of the school which produced 3 of the big 6, namely Osadifo Kwame Nkrumah, President Edward Akufo-Addo, William Ofori-Atta, as well as Presidents John Evans Atta Mills and Jerry John Rawlings, the 2-time coup maker, which proves the quality of the school's cadet corps, as well as President Robert Mugabe of Zimbabwe and Dawda Jawara of the Gambia.
Achimota.
Ask your panelists. Achimota school. That we try again. Achimota Achimota Sandals. Yeah.
Electoral Commission for Innovation ya Omudiabe. What is that? Min talking tampon so ma check me
I check.
Ma check modem. Bibia dem. In fact, every state be na I may see me picture no. And I'm a friend, my senior cousin. Israel Santinoa. Na oko hon mo. Mo ma ne hwe mu me picture no so odem. Come Bibia. So there's an improvement. I say you encourage say. Sad na electoral commission ya ba no. Kwame. Idea improvement.
Encourage them.
You can check your name without
1422
registration center.
This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.